Today I am reviewing this Humhold 35 pint dehumidifier that they sent me to review. Thank you to Humhold for sending this for my evaluation. I have an upstairs that doesn't quite vent properly, and in the winter I have to run a dehumidifier. This sometimes happens in basements, etc. I really like the design of this. It's tall and slender. My old dehumidifier was very big and blocky, so I can put it in a corner very well. It has a lot of modes. As you can see up here, you just turn it on with this button, and you have the manual. You can do the different percentage. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see how this works. And this is my favorite part. Check this out. It pops up, and it's like, whoa. And I like that it vents out the top right here. My other one vented back into the wall, and I'm, putting all that moisture back onto the wall is not great for mold, etc. Let's try some of these different modes. This puts it onto continuous instead of auto. So this is always on. It also changed it to high. So you can do different humidities. It goes in 5 increments, so it'll just go. If you don't want it to go above a certain humidity, it'll do it right there. Also has a timer. You can put how many hours you want it on for. It has an inside drying feature if you want it to kind of dry the inside. It has a lot of features, and they even make a version which works with Alexa, etc. So you can use it with an app. I didn't get that since I don't have Alexa, and it was an extra cost, and I couldn't show the features due to not having Alexa. But if you do, it's on the same product description, so just know that. I think I really like the little light. It just turns on and off like this. I've had it running up here for a little bit. Puts off a little bit of heat right here, which could also be nice in the winter. At least it's heating your house a little bit as well while using energy. It is Energy Start energy efficient. Holds 35 pints. And I like right here that it has this handle right here. But one downside I've noticed, let me show you this, is when changing it, if you want to go dump the water out, you have to lift this handle, then pull this up, and then the water's in here to then dump it out. And then every time you have to put this, the handle's kind of in the way. It makes it sleeker to put in, but a little bit more of a hassle to dump. You can just dump it back through here and not have to remove this, but if you wanted to clean the inside, it's just a little weird how this setup is, but not that big of a problem. Nice and sleek. It has wheels on the bottom. I found they don't roll quite as well as the wheels on my old unit. So if you have carpet, etc., and you're going to be moving it around a lot, that is something to consider. You can also run it so it automatically dumps through a hose in the back if you're using it in a basement, etc., and you just always want it on, or attic, etc. It has a filter back here that you can get to all the coils. It has a screen if you ever need to clean this out as well. You can see the quality of the construction and the coils right here. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.